In 3, 2, 1. I won't make up when we dated, 'cause I thought you liked me more. If I look like the other prom queens I know that you loved before, try so hard to be everything that you like, just for you to say you're not the compliment type. And I knew how you took your coffee and your favorite songs by heart. I read all of your self-help books so you'd think that I was smart. Stupid, emotional, obsessive little me. I knew from the start this was exactly how you'd leave. You found someone more exciting, the next second you were gone. And you left me there crying, wondering what I did wrong. You always say I'm never satisfied, but I don't think that's true. 'Cause all I ever wanted was to be enough for you. Yeah, all I ever wanted was to be enough for you. And maybe I'm just not as interesting as the girls you had before, but God, you couldn't have cared less about someone who loved you more. Say you broke my heart, but you broke much more than that. I don't want your sympathy, I just want myself back before you found someone more exciting. The next second you were gone. And you left me there crying, wondering what I did wrong. And you always say I'm never satisfied, but I don't think that's true. 'Cause all I ever wanted was to be enough. Don't you think I loved you too much to be used and discarded? Don't you think I loved you too much to think I deserve nothing? But don't tell me that you're sorry, boy, feel sorry for yourself. 'Cause someday I'll be everything to somebody else, and they'll think that I am so exciting, and you'll be the one who's crying. Yeah, you always say I'm never satisfied, but I don't think that's true. You say I'm never satisfied, but that's not me, that's you. 'Cause all I ever wanted was to be enough, but I don't think anything could ever be enough for you. Enough for you. Nothing's enough for you. We did it. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. If you do like these Olivia Rodrigo covers or tutorials, make sure you're subscribed. Also, make sure, most importantly, turn on that bell notification so you get notified so you don't miss, because YouTube, you know, in the past and then probably in the future, gets a little bit sketchy with how they notify the subscribers. So make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell notification. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is this beautiful uke? This is a tenor-sized kala ukulele. It's a mahogany uke, fully gloss, absolutely amazing. I'll leave a link in the description below if you do want to go check out this uke. It's literally one of my favorites. This is, I think, the second uke I've ever bought myself ever, and now I have a lot, but I always go back to this one because it has special memories. Anyways, thank you so much. Also, linked in the description below will be links to my merch if you do want to support, links to all of my socials, Twitter, Patreon, Instagram, and TikTok. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, make sure to friend me, send me a DM letting me know what video you came from. Again, thank you so much for being here. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.